Welcome to our guide on choosing the best Suboxone doctor in Richmond. Discover the evolving treatment options and how you can start the journey towards recovery today. OUD affects millions across America. It's a complex condition needing more than just traditional treatment. Medication-assisted treatment (MAT) with Suboxone is changing lives by addressing both dependency and withdrawal symptoms. Richmond is transforming its healthcare approach to OUD. Modern Suboxone doctors offer flexible, personalized plans integrating medical and behavioral therapies for improved recovery outcomes. Ensuring treatment is accessible and covered by insurance is crucial. Let's explore how Richmond providers are making this possible. Richmond Suboxone doctors work with various insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid, ensuring comprehensive treatment is accessible to all. Choosing the right doctor involves assessing their medical expertise, treatment approach, and success rates. Richmond providers emphasize evidence-based treatments and collaborative care. Richmond's structured treatment process involves induction, stabilization, and maintenance phases, leading to improved quality of life and higher success rates. Recovery doesn't stop with initial treatment. Let's look at the long-term support options available. Providers offer extended care programs, support services, and alternative treatment options, ensuring sustainable recovery beyond initial phases. Choosing the right Suboxone doctor in Richmond is key to successful recovery. Consider their experience, treatment approach, and available support services. Visit subozonedoctor.com to connect with qualified doctors in Richmond. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health guides. Your path to recovery starts here.